Have you ever pictured a China beyond its lively cities and ancient landmarks? Join us to uncover hidden landscapes where the soul of this land thrives, untouched by time. From the misty peaks of Wuyi Mountain, Fujian, to the shimmering waters of Karnas Lake, Xinjiang, these forgotten places tell tales of a timeless world. Picture drone footage soaring over Hutuwan, Zhejiang, where greenery reclaims an abandoned village. Glide through the jagged Maolan karst forest, Guizhou, where nature's artistry dazzles. These cinematic visuals reveal a China rarely seen, bursting with raw beauty. Far from tourist crowds, a different China awaits, rich with history and wonder. Wander the rolling Ulaanbaatar grassland, Inner Mongolia, or feel the sacred calm of Mount Sapu, Tibet. These landscapes stir your heart, tying you to a land of ancient traditions and pristine nature. Embark on this journey to discover China's hidden gems. Let their allure inspire you to explore a realm few know. A breathtaking world of forgotten places that will captivate you forever.